Hi, and welcome to the week of January 25th through the 31st, 2021. This is the Capstone News and Notes. I'm just going to run through some slides with some key information to help you have a successful week. Of the 269 projects that are currently uploaded to our NWC Commons, I just wanted to make you aware that there's a lot of traffic that comes to that site from Google or Google Scholars. So people are out doing research for undergrad, graduate, and doctoral papers, and they will find the research that you do that we upload to our site. In fact, these are the top 10 downloads of projects that we have posted from our students since 2016, so over the last 4 years. And the number represents how many downloads in thousands, and then the name represents the title of the work. So you can kind of see that these are topics that many students are interested in, that they're doing their own research in, and they're coming to our capstone projects to look at literature reviews or action research or school improvement plans to be inspired. So please be aware that is why we spend so much time doing this project, why feedback is going to be very important, because we want your best work to be loaded to the site. So things that I'm waiting on proposals from several students who have not submitted their first proposal. I'm waiting on many proposals to come back after I've given you some feedback. So just go ahead and resubmit. You can submit to the same link as many times as is necessary. And then the action plan really cannot be written until the proposal is written. Otherwise, you'll end up maybe having to redo both. So it's better to just wait till you have the approved proposal, and then I electronically sign, and send that back to you and tell you that it's been approved. And then you go ahead and work on your action plan. I think the thing that I need to say at this point is to just slow down, not because I want to stretch this out, but I know what it's going to take on the other end. And the prep work that you do now actually helps make the project go faster on the back end. So two things that I really want you to focus on if you have not done so already. Watched all the parts of the literature review video. As you're going through it, you'll notice we've split it into parts. Make sure that you've watched those. Also complete the literature review module. It is really like a teaching tool. It's in lieu of a specific class about literature reviews. And it will give you lots and lots of details about how that writing needs to be. It is imperative that you take the time now to understand how a literature review works. It will help you later when you're in the drafting stage. It is heartbreaking to spend hours and hours on a literature review and to be told by me that it is a report and in fact not a literature review. So please take the time, ask questions, schedule time to talk to me if you're unclear. I'm here for you. So the next big project that you'll be doing to complete your capstone is your annotated bibliography. The only way to create an excellent annotated bibliography that will actually help you create your literature review is to read and read some more. All kinds of research about your topic to create the subheads that are part of your literature review. It's also important that you read capstone projects about your topic and those not about your topic, just so you can get a sense of the writing and how it is put together. I cannot stress enough, the work you do on the front end will help you when you get to the drafting stage. And then once you've found your articles, remember 30 for a literature review as your completed project, or 20 for an action research plan. or a school improvement plan. You will place your research on the template, which is available on Blackboard, and you will be analyzing each piece of research on the template, and then that will be part of your draft. You will pull words straight off of that template and put it in your draft. You use it to springboard your draft. For action research only, please do not submit your IRB application to anybody but me. It states on there who to send it to. However, I must approve it first. You're in a unique position because I was named to the IRB, the Institutional Research Board, and so I actually do approve those with my team. However, I don't want to send anything to them that I have not approved first. That's standard operating procedure at the college in any department. So please go ahead and submit it to me. What you need for the IRB is in the directions. You could either fill out an exemption to the IRB application, an application for an actual research proposal to be allowed with full, us to do a full, I'm so sorry, my cat was walking over me during that. But so anyway, you're going to be submitting for an exemption. You're going to be turning in an application to the IRB for our full review. For a literature review or school improvement plan, you do not require IRB approval. The final thing I would like to leave you with is this writer's prayer. I have posted this slideshow to the announcement as well as the video, just in case you wanted to copy this or to go back to anything I have in the slideshow. So let's go ahead and pray this together. Father in heaven, you are the maker and creator of all things. You spoke this world into being and keep it in its orbit. By your word, all things exist. Your written word feeds, strengthens, and sanctifies your children. You gave me gifts and abilities to use in my life and work. One of the ways I image you is in my writing. I thank you for this gift. In everything I write, may it be for you. Because of Jesus, I pray. Amen. Thank you very much for the honor of being your capstone professor. I am here for you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. We can also schedule a phone call or a Zoom if you would like to talk about anything. If you need a prayer request, you can post it in Blackboard or you can just contact me directly. Please remember that Northwestern College is proud of you, pleased to have you as a student, and here to support your success. Have a great week.